The ocean has long been known as the blue granary, a realm that conceals innumerable secrets of life and nutrition. Its vast, mysterious depths give rise to an astonishing diversity of marine organisms, offering humanity an array of unique and distinctive ingredients. From ancient coastal cultures to modern scientific research, marine foods are far more than exquisite dishes on a table. They are veritable natural treasure troves brimming with high-quality protein, functional fatty acids, and other bioactive substances. By blending advanced technology with time-honored wisdom, we are continually discovering and harnessing the remarkable health resources that the ocean bestows upon us. Marine foods, a natural feast of nutrition. In comparison with terrestrial livestock and crops, marine organisms boast a nutritional composition that is strikingly different. First and foremost, ingredients sourced from the sea are abundant in high-quality protein that is readily absorbed by the human body. At the same time, their fat content is generally low, yet, they are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids that offer considerable benefits for cardiovascular and neurological health. In addition, marine foods contain a host of small peptides and polysaccharides that provide antioxidant protection, alleviate fatigue, enhance immune functions, and help regulate metabolism. Naturally occurring compounds such as taurine and astaxanthin further elevate the potential of these foods to prevent chronic illnesses and improve overall physiological functions. The allure of quality protein and bioactive peptides. The proteins provided by marine life are not only plentiful but also contain a unique blend of amino acids that serve as an essential foundation for human growth and cellular repair. When these proteins are partially hydrolyzed, they yield small peptides that work within the body to combat oxidation, reduce fatigue, and regulate immune responses. For example, traditional coastal recipes for seafood stews reveal their secret strength in the slow simmering process where peptides are gradually released. Contemporary research has demonstrated that these bioactive peptides can diminish the harm caused by free radicals on cells, thereby offering scientific support for delaying aging and promoting bodily recovery. Thus, the high-quality proteins and bioactive peptides found in marine organisms are key resources for those seeking a vibrant and healthy lifestyle. The unique benefits of omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids. Another major reason for the widespread admiration of marine foods is their abundant supply of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid EPA and docosahexaenoic acid DHA. These fatty acids help lower blood lipid levels and improve circulation while also playing a significant role in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases and the attenuation of inflammatory responses. For instance, deep-sea species such as tuna and mackerel are prized not only for their tender flesh but also for their oil, which is rich in these critical components. Nutritionists often refer to these as brain gold. Moreover, DHA is indispensable for maintaining normal nervous system function, as well as for enhancing memory and learning abilities. The distinctive composition of these fatty acids in marine foods provides invaluable nutritional support for preventing chronic diseases and renders them an integral part of a modern healthy diet. Marine polysaccharides and other functional components. Beyond protein and fatty acids, marine organisms are also a rich source of various functional polysaccharides, many of which are derived from seaweed, mollusks, and shellfish. These polysaccharides exhibit antibacterial, antiviral, and blood sugar regulating properties, thereby acting as a natural defense against infections and inflammation. Additionally, many shellfish and certain crustaceans contain a substantial amount of taurine, an amino acid derivative notable for its role in regulating retinal activity, promoting neural development, and supporting heart health. Furthermore, astaxanthin extracted from algae demonstrates exceptional antioxidant ability and has earned the reputation of nature's anti-aging champion. These bioactive components work in unison to ensure that marine foods not only excel nutritionally but also offer remarkable functional health benefits. Nutritional analysis of representative marine products. Among the diverse array of marine ingredients, many are highly esteemed for their nutritional composition and therapeutic value. For example, cod from the northwestern Pacific is renowned for its delicate texture and rich supply of premium protein. Studies have indicated that this type of fish not only abounds in protein but also contains a significant amount of omega-3 fatty acids in its fat content, which can help lower blood lipid levels and improve cardiovascular function. Another distinctive ingredient is squid. Its firm flesh is notably high in essential minerals such as iron and zinc. Regular consumption of squid can assist in replenishing blood levels and boosting physical strength. In some western coastal regions, squid ink is even regarded as a natural condiment believed to enhance immunity and aid in digestion. In addition, shellfish such as clams, scallops, and oysters enjoy high praise from top chefs for their low fat and high protein content. Oysters, in particular, are celebrated not only for their exquisite taste but also because their protein content can reach up to 50%, and they are richly endowed with trace elements such as selenium and zinc. These nutrients play a significant role in enhancing brain function and fortifying the immune system. Traditional herbal practices have long maintained that such shellfish possess the ability to clear excess internal heat, eliminate toxins, and offer calming effects, often serving as adjunct therapy for certain chronic conditions. Scientific guidelines for purchasing and storing seafood. Although marine ingredients are nutritionally rich, ensuring that they retain their beneficial qualities requires proper purchasing and storage methods. In market settings, freshness serves as the primary criterion for assessing the quality of seafood. High-quality marine products generally exhibit a glossy appearance, firm texture, and a complete absence of off odors. Consumers are advised to select seasonal, freshly caught seafood or products that have been preserved using modern cold chain techniques to ensure the best possible quality. When it comes to storage, it is essential to keep marine products at approximately -18 degrees Celsius so as to retard bacterial growth and preserve vital nutrients. During the thawing process, a gradual defrosting in the refrigerator is recommended in order to prevent rapid temperature shifts that may lead to moisture loss and texture deterioration. Adhering to these scientific practices not only extends the shelf life of seafood but also ensures that the nutritional integrity remains intact for subsequent culinary endeavors. The principles of proper cooking and a balanced diet. Employing scientific cooking methods is of utmost importance when seeking to preserve the nutritional advantages of marine foods. Excessively high temperatures or lengthy cooking periods can destroy many of the bioactive compounds inherent in these ingredients. Consequently, methods such as steaming, low-temperature stewing, or brief boiling are considered ideal. Additionally, maintaining a strict separation between utensils used for raw and cooked foods effectively reduces the risk of cross-contamination, thereby ensuring food safety. Modern nutrition experts suggest consuming fish 2 to 3 times per week, with each serving ranging from approximately 40 to 80 grams. This frequency provides consumers with ample amounts of high-quality protein and bioactive components from marine products while simultaneously mitigating the potential risks associated with heavy metal accumulation from excessive consumption. When these marine delicacies are paired with other natural ingredients such as fresh fruits, vegetables, or whole grains, the result is an enhanced intake of dietary fiber and minerals that supports overall well-being. The versatility of marine foods in everyday diets. Whether one is an urban professional in need of quick, efficient nutrition or an older adult focusing on regular health maintenance, marine foods offer an innovative and versatile option for daily dining. Imagine a vibrant seafood platter that brings together a medley of fish, shellfish, and shrimp prepared using delicate seasonings and health-conscious cooking techniques, Such a dish is not only visually enticing but also caters to the body's diverse nutritional needs and energy demands. Furthermore, including seaweeds such as kelp and wakame in meals effectively supplies essential iodine and vitamins, thereby helping to regulate endocrine function and enhance metabolic processes.